Wait, that was wrong. Hi guys, welcome back to another Roblox YouTube video. Today I have a special guest. It's another one of my friends, not Madison. This is a different friend. I don't think she wants me to say her name. We're gonna play Escape the Gym Obby. Today, for some reason, like whenever we're talking here, like for example, as tags shows up, but it doesn't go over my head. So I'm gonna have to read out loud what she says in the chat. She just said hi. Okay, let's play. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. This is an easy start. Let's go. Over this sweat, or what is this? Okay, second stage. Ooh, this chocolate. And what is that? Soap bar? Or really flat. Oh, wait, no, this is probably a chip bag. Oh, wow. I like your tummy, sir. Okay. And some more chocolate, a vending machine. He's carrying a whole vending machine on his own. Princessa 5443. I get you. Alright, come on, let's keep going. Alright, what is that? A soda can and then more chips? Alright, come on, come on. Alright, this... Oh, wow, I like that. I want to see those legs moving. Don't touch the floor or you're out. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. And next one. Oh, this one's like... Oh, wow, she's pretty good with jumping. Should I jump too? I mean, like, walking is the same thing, so... Alright, is it like one side is like poisonous or the other? Oh, okay. I guess I'm just gonna go up here because I don't want to take chances. Okay, I guess that's safe too. I'm pretty sure all of it is safe then. Alright, let's get our legs. Oh wow, I made that. Alright. Come on. Gotta speed up the pace there. Alright, and... Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, backwards. Nice move. Okay, what is this? It's like rock climbing, I guess. But instead, like, parkour. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, avoid these punching bags. Why? Aren't you supposed to punch them? Alright, what now? Like, do we just go through here? Okay, nothing's happening. That's good, that's good. Wait, did she just touch that? Does that do anything? Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I died. Okay. Wrong way. She went the wrong way. Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Oh. Oh, I'm dumb. Alright, okay. Oh. Okay, well. Okay, I'm not gonna make the same mistake she did. Alright. Thank you for waiting for me. Come on, let's go. It's okay. You don't have to wait for me, though. Alright. Checkpoint. Wait, is that a giant fat guy? That's kind of mean, but, like, it's kind of true. Okay. Let's zoom in. Wow. Yummy. Aren't we just delicious? We may have been eaten, but I want to see those jumping muscles burn. Wow, he's like, he doesn't even care that we got eaten. Like, I'm still about working out. Come on, let's go. You got this. Ew, the teeth. Ew, he teeth green and yellow. True. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Hot dogs, pizza, and burgers. Gotta eat a little bit more healthy than that. Oh, it's one of these laser things. Is this supposed to be like blood vessels or something? I don't even know. No! You can't die on me, especially in this body. We gotta get it out. We gotta get out of here. We're like that bad, disgusting food and your body doesn't like and throws you back up. Yay! You made it. Alright. Good job. Good job. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go up the spine. I wonder if it tickles somebody's back if you're touching their spine. But I'll never know because I'm not going to be eating anybody alive. And I'm not going to... Oh, this poop. Okay, that's disgusting. And I'm not going to let people eat me alive. I know. Ew, poopy poop. Yeah, I get you. Just got to keep jumping. Oh, out the poop hole. Alright. Oh, that's disgusting. Sorry about that. Why are you sorry? You ate us. That's disgusting. Alright. Oh, she's here. Alright. Her. Alright, come on. No excuses. Let's get swimming. What? What? Wow, we gotta be swimming now? Oh well, I love these pools. Alright. Not that hard. Come on, you got this. Come on. That was pretty easy. Don't cheat and go around. I'm watching. Of course you are. You're always everywhere before we are. Even though you stand there until the next place we go to. Grab the checkpoint. Good thinking. Oh, up here. Okay, this reminds me inside of the body. Oh wait, it's a slide. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Is there like... Oh my gosh. I'm Jesus. I can walk on water. Boom. We the Jesuses. Alright. Come on. Come on. We gotta keep doing this PE though. Alright, hey, we're not finished yet. Jump over these hurdles. Is that what it's called? Or am I just really stupid? Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Here, let me rephrase that. I'm not stupid. I know that. I'm just didn't know. I want you to clear the long jump. If you don't, you will fail. Okay. Yas. Easy. 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 Let's go. Oh, she said hi. I didn't read that. Alright. Climbing. Come on. Climb. 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 Yes. Alright. Alright. Get in the helicopters. Time to go skydiving. Wow, how this guy is so, like, motivated to do literally anything. Alright. Grab your parachute, sir. Touch the parachute to jump. And jump, I mean. Oh my gosh. How fun. This is kind of slow, though, to be honest. Here, let's just fall and then... Alright, take it out. Where is she? Where's she at? Oh my god. Oh, she's down there. Alright, alright. Okay. We're not gonna die yet. We got our parachute. We can take it out whenever we want. And we got a badge. Style_YT1. Nick Games. Oh, I couldn't read that fast enough. Oh wow, she's fast. Walk speed. Oh gosh. Okay, jump. Power. I feel like the Power Ranger now. Wait, I should grab one of these. Which one should I get? I'm gonna get the blue one because it matches my My Hero Academia PE clothes. Alright. Yay! I wonder if this is the one that, like, disappears. Does it? Oh, yes it does. I like the kinds that disappear because then, like, you don't get stuck in your own paths. Alright, lady. Did you have a path? Alright. Well, that's gonna end it for today. She just said yeet in the chat. But, yeah, that's it for today. It's a pretty short video. So yeah, thanks so much for watching my YouTube video. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss another one of my awesome videos. Yeah. Princess of 5443 just said bye-bye.